People ask me, what motivates me to draw? The answer is simple. It's the whole idea of bringing imaginations to life. Reality is full of limitations, but people like me see the endless possibilities in them. And I would like to share those possibilities to the world in the form of art. With art, you can create a visual representation from a part of your imagination. But sadly, not everyone is capable to create their visual representation a reality. And that's where I came in. I took the people's ideas and made it a reality for them. Many have asked me to draw for them, and I take it as an honor to help them visualize their fantasies. From small requests to big projects, I did them all in a way that resembles the original as best as possible. It all started with an inspiration, an imagination, which then ends up to be a creation.